Are you tired of feeling bloated, uncomfortable, and constantly struggle with constipation? Do you wake up every morning feeling heavy, sluggish, and wondering why your digestive system just won't cooperate? What if I told you there's a simple, natural solution that could transform your digestive health in just a few days, using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen? Stay with me, because today we're revealing 4 powerful, time-tested methods that work faster and more effectively than those expensive products you've been trying. For far too long, millions of people over a certain age have silently suffered with digestive issues that seem to get worse as they grow older. The frustration of irregular bowel movements, the embarrassment of constant bloating, and the worry about all the toxins building up inside their bodies. But here's what most people don't realize. Your gut health is the foundation of your overall well-being. And when it's compromised, everything else suffers. Research shows that about 7 out of 10 people carry up to 9 pounds, 4 kilograms, of waste material in their intestinal tract. This is not just uncomfortable, it's dangerous. These accumulated waste products form a coating along the intestinal walls, releasing toxins directly into the bloodstream and filling your body with harmful substances that can affect everything from your mood to the quality of your sleep. Your gut is often called your second brain, and there's a scientific reason for that. Nearly 90% of your body's serotonin, the happiness hormone, is produced right there in your intestines. When your gut is clogged with waste and toxins, serotonin production plummets, leaving you anxious, depressed, and unable to sleep properly. This explains why so many people who suffer from constipation also deal with mood swings, insomnia, and that constant feeling of unwellness. The symptoms of intestinal buildup go far beyond simple constipation. You might experience chronic bloating that makes your clothes feel tight and uncomfortable, excessive gas that causes social embarrassment, poor digestion that leaves you feeling heavy and sluggish after every meal, mood problems that seem to come out of nowhere, sleep disturbances that leave you exhausted during the day, and that nagging sense that no matter how much you eat, your body just isn't absorbing the nutrients it needs. But here's the amazing news. There are 4 natural, scientifically proven solutions that can help you completely cleanse your intestinal system, eliminate constipation, and restore your digestive health to optimal function. These aren't expensive supplements or complicated procedures. They're simple, affordable ingredients that have been used for generations and are now being validated by modern research. The first powerful solution is Flaxseed Tea, nature's gentle intestinal cleanser. Flax seeds are incredibly rich in soluble fiber, which acts like a soft broom sweeping through your digestive tract. When you drink flaxseed tea at night, you're giving your body the hydration and fiber it needs to move waste through your system effectively. The soluble fiber in flax seeds forms a gel-like substance that helps gather up accumulated waste and toxins, making them easier to eliminate naturally. Here's how to prepare this powerful cleansing tea. Take 1 tablespoon of whole flax seeds and add them to 2 cups of boiling water. Let them simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until the water becomes slightly thick and gel-like. Strain the liquid and drink it warm before bed. Timing is crucial because your digestive system does most of its repair and cleansing work while you sleep. For even better results, you can add a tablespoon of ground flax seeds to a morning smoothie, giving you the full benefit of omega-3 fatty acids and extra fiber to help remove intestinal buildup. The beauty of flaxseed tea lies in its dual action. Not only does it provide the fiber your digestive system needs to function properly, but also delivers essential fatty acids that reduce inflammation throughout the digestive tract. Many people notice results in just 1 or 2 days after starting this simple routine. The key is consistency and proper hydration, because water is what makes your way soft and easy to pass. The second method combines the power of lemon water with gentle physical activity to activate your sluggish intestinal system. Many people who suffer from constipation also tend to sit for long hours and spend very little time moving. When we walk and engage our leg muscles, we naturally massage our abdominal area, stimulating the entire intestinal tract and encouraging movement. Start your morning with a large glass of warm water, mixed with the juice of half a fresh lemon. The warm water helps wake up your digestive system, while the lemon provides natural vitamin C and citric acid that stimulate digestive juices. The electrolytes in lemon water help activate the electrical signals that control intestinal contractions, essentially giving your digestive system a boost of the day. After drinking your lemon water, Go for a 15 to 20-minute walk. The gentle movement of walking creates a natural massaging effect in your intestinal tract, helping to move waste that might be stuck in the many curves and pockets of your colon. This combination of hydration, electrolytes, and movement often produces results within a few hours, especially for people who have been sedentary. The third solution involves using extra virgin olive oil combined with chia seeds to create a natural lubricant that helps waste pass through your system more easily. Olive oil has mild laxative properties that have been recognized for centuries. When combined with the omega-3 fatty acids and fiber found in chia seeds, you create a powerful mixture that lubricates your intestinal tract and provides a bulk needed for healthy elimination. Take 1 teaspoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil and mix it with 1 teaspoon of chia seeds that have been soaked in water for at least 15 minutes. The chia seeds will form a gel-like consistency that is easy to swallow. Consume this mixture at night, about an hour before bed. The oils help lubricate the intestinal walls, making it easier for waste to move, while the fiber from the chia seeds adds bulk and helps sweep away accumulated waste. This method is particularly effective for people who find their bowel movements hard and difficult to pass. The natural oils help soften everything, while the fiber ensures complete elimination. Many people report that this simple combination helps them achieve more complete and satisfying bowel movements in just a day or two. The fourth and perhaps most powerful solution is prune juice, nature's most effective natural laxative. Prunes contain a unique combination of fiber, sorbitol, and natural compounds that specifically target constipation and intestinal cleansing. Research has shown that prunes are not just effective for immediate relief, but also support long-term colon health. To prepare an effective prune juice cleanse, soak 6 to 8 pitted prunes in 2 cups of warm water overnight. In the morning, blend the prunes with the soaking water until smooth. Drink this mixture in the evening on an empty stomach. The natural sugars in prunes, particularly sorbitol, draw water into your intestines, softening waste and stimulating bowel movements. The fiber content helps add bulk, while the natural fruit acids stimulate digestive contractions. Studies have shown that regular consumption of prunes can help reverse colon damage, improve overall digestive function, and even provide protection against colon cancer. The antioxidants in prunes help reduce inflammation throughout the digestive system, while fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria, improving your overall gut health. We've reached the end of this journey toward optimized gut health. We've uncovered 4 natural, scientifically proven methods to fight constipation and promote intestinal cleansing. Flaxseed tea, which acts like a gentle broom sweeping away toxins and waste. The combination of lemon water and physical activity, which stimulates intestinal contractions. The duo of extra virgin olive oil and chia seeds, which lubricates and eases waste passage. And prune juice, a powerful natural laxative with proven action. Remember, gut health is not just about digestive comfort. It's the foundation of your overall well-being, affecting mood, sleep, energy, and even nutrient absorption. The accumulation of toxic waste impacts the entire body, not just causing discomfort like bloating and gas. Ignoring these warning signs can have serious long-term consequences. That's why adopting these simple, accessible, and safe practices is a crucial investment in your whole body health. Understand the process better and share this knowledge. Subscribe and leave a like for future insights. This is just the beginning of your transformation. Imagine yourself free from chronic digestive discomfort, with more energy and vitality to fully enjoy life. The key is in your hands. Want to deepen your knowledge of gut health? Subscribe, like, and comment. Unlock more secrets. And remember, your journey to a healthier, more balanced life starts now. Don't put off until tomorrow what you can start doing today. Your health will thank you.